Hello, brothers and sisters. I want again to welcome all of you to this very important lesson. Remember, in the last lesson, we talked about hearing impairment and deafness. In this lesson, I want us to focus on some of the signs and symptoms that can indicate that someone is losing the hearing, or some clear indicators that someone has hearing impairment. So number one, we say difficult in using a telephone. So if someone cannot be able to use a telephone or a mobile phone, then that is an indication that someone has a hearing impairment or hearing loss. The next one, we talk about loss of direction of sound. So someone cannot be able to point the direction by which a given sound is coming from. Then that's a clear indication that someone is losing, of course, the hearing. The next one, we talk about difficulty understanding speech, especially, of course, speech of children and women whose voices are of a higher frequency. So when someone cannot be able to understand those two voices, then it means this person is having a deficiency in hearing. The next one, we talk about difficulty understanding, of course, speech in the presence of the background sound or noise. So when there is a multiple sounds coming from all directions, so someone cannot be able to understand a given information because of interruption from other sounds, then that means that this person is having or showing a clear indication that there is a hearing loss. The next one, talk about sound or speech becoming dull. So someone tries or struggles to listen to the sound but still cannot be able to understand or cannot be able to hear properly. That means that there's a problem with hearing. Then, of course, lastly, a need for increased volume on television, radio, music, and other audio sources. So when someone always complains about a low voice, so someone asks you to increase the volume, that is a clear indication, a very, very clear indication that someone is having a problem associated to the hearing loss. So kindly go through this again and again so that you are able to understand, so that you can be able to help our brothers and sisters to have early interventions whenever this occurs. See you in the next lesson.